Black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic. Princess.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Glow Princess and I'm back at it again with a new look. For today's look, we'll be using a wig that I received from Cynosure Hair. I've worked with them before in like a previous video. If you want to see that video, make sure you scroll down a little bit and you should see it. But today I have a different style for you guys, and a wig that I'll be showing you guys today is their glueless transparent HD lace wig. It's a curly lace front wig, very natural, realistic looking, and I got a 24-inch of their Brazilian hair. I believe that I got 200% density because it's a curly wig, so I usually go for like a higher density when I get curly, so it could be nice and full and like, you know, not see-through or anything. It's a 13x4 lace front wig. This is the packaging. It's literally just a satin bag and it says Cynosure Hair on it. And inside this cute little bag, you will find your wig in a plastic bag. You will also find a wig cap, which just fell on the floor. I'm trying to pick it up with my toes. A wig cap. This little card here. It has cute pictures of like girls wearing their hair on it, and a bag. Inside the card you will find like methods on how to apply your wig, other bundles and stuff that they provide, and frontals. You will also find like methods on how to wash your hair, detangle it, and all that good stuff. So always necessary. You will also find a pair of lashes in your bag. That's pretty much all the goodies that come in this cute little satin bag. The wig is in here. Like I said, this is their curly wig, 24 inches, 200% density. So let's go ahead and see how the wig is looking. Like I said, this is an HD lace. The best laces ever because they look super natural, so you know this is gonna look bomb. So this is what the wig looks like. And as you guys can see, first of all, these curls look amazing, super healthy, really tight, not messy at all, really pretty. Look, just look at this, bomb, you guys. I probably won't have to do anything to this wig because the curls look amazing. I love that, like straight unboxing, perfect. Wig is looking great. Yeah, this is what the wig looks like, but I'm pretty sure when you wash it, the curls will still look like this. Look how bouncy this is. So pretty. Like I said, it's a 200% density, so bomb, nice and flowy, nice and thick, nice and soft. I haven't had curls like this in a minute because I usually just gravitate towards like straight because it's just like easy on the go, but this bomb. Okay, let's take a look at this lace. Like I said, this is a 13x4 lace front wig, HD lace front wig. So look how bomb this frontal looks. Really cute. It comes pre-plucked with slight baby hairs. This is what it looks like on the inside. 4 combs all around the lace. One at the bottom, adjustable straps. These curls are really pretty, you guys. I know you guys are going to love this. Did I tell you how long this wig is? It's a 24, which is their longest length. So I already know this is gonna look bomb, y'all. But yeah, this is what the wig looks like. I'm about to go ahead and cut the lace off, try her on so we can see what she's looking like. So this is what the wig currently looks like on, and she's looking lovely. The curls are nice and tight and full. As you guys can see, no gaps. We love to see it. No gaps in between her hair whatsoever. Look at these curls. Like, you shitting me? These bitches are fucking cute. I need to stop cussing. I've been trying to stop cussing on my channel. I promise I'll do better. I'm so sorry. But yeah, like I was saying, the curls are really bomb, nice and thick and curly. These are so really, I already know I won't have to do anything to it. Pretty much just fix the top part, which is always the main issues right here, to get it together, make it look really natural and bomb. But as far as like the texture of this hair, girl, this is bomb. Can you believe that this hair looks like this straight out the box? Can you believe this? Like, imagine if you was to like install it, do like a cute style. Oh my god, it would look so bomb. Like even like 2 braids with like rubber bands right here and just have the hair out curly. That would be really bomb. I wish I was a hairstylist and I knew how to do all this, because I really have bomb styles in my head, but I can't physically achieve it because I don't know how to do anything else but just put that wig on my head. But anyways, it looks really good so far. I see that it's supposed to be a middle part because I think this is a little parting right here, but you could do side part, you could do whatever you want with this wig. I think I'm gonna do a middle part though, because I just see it looking good and wild, like out, and just I love it. I'm feeling the vibe. So we're gonna do a middle part. You guys can see the lace is looking good. I need to cut around my ears, but so like, you know, you don't see this part. And right here, I would not be gluing this wig today, so we're gonna finesse it how we usually finesse it. Y'all already know the drill. I'm gonna do a middle part, apply some concealer to the lace to blend it and make it look real nice, more like my skin tone, so it can look really nice. We got this. Y'all already know how we do on this channel. So yeah, that's pretty much all I will be doing to this wig. So yeah, let me go ahead and let's get into the styling of this wig. Like I said, I'll be blending into my scalp, middle part. Yeah, and that's pretty much baby hairs, and that's pretty much it for today's looks. Very short, very simple. Y'all know how I keep it on this channel. We don't do too much, but we come out looking bomb. Period. It takes nothing. As you guys can see, it has baby hairs right here, so I'm gonna use this little bit of baby hairs. Don't need to cut it, you know, blend it out, make it look really good. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this styling. I'm gonna see you guys once I'm done. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. As you guys can see, the hair came out really good. I ended up putting some water on the front pieces right here because I was playing with it too much and it was just like not matching the rest of the curls. But I literally only put water on it and just ran my fingers through it, and it just came out like this. So now it matches the rest of the hair and it looks really good. As you guys can see, this wig is super full. Like, the curls are really soft and full. It looks really good. I'm happy with the way it came out. No, I did not glue the wig down. I literally only used gel, and what I did is I applied some gel all over like the lace and stuff like that, and I tried to dry it because when this gel dries it gets hard, so it kind of just keeps the wig on. But if you're gonna like wear it and go out, definitely glue your wig down because it's hot as hell outside. But yeah, this is what the wig looks like. It looks so good, you guys, like so good. So I'm really happy with the way it came out. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, make sure you check out Cynosure Hair. I will have their link down below, and also the link to this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.
Hit me with all of that melanin, hocus pocus, baby.